do this anymore. The silence is the loudest sound. Whenever